I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground.
Anyone who's interested can find it. BLM, Vicksburg. It is just actually east of the town. And there's a dirt road that comes out to it. Now this area, this specific area, you will only get to if you have four-wheel drive.
That I would find the answers drinking.
I just caught the magnificent sunset imaginable. In fact, I'm still actually capturing it because it's not stopped impressing me yet.
How I could be so dumb. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned its back on me, it seems. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down.
This World Trade Center artifact, a portion of a beam, was recovered from Ground Zero and donated by the Port Authorities of New York and New Jersey to the McMullen Valley Fire District, dedicated to honor and remember those who lost their lives on September 11th, 2001.
So I found a spot in Vicksburg, Arizona, and I definitely found a remote location. As you can see with this pan, I've got pretty much the whole mountain range around me. So there's definitely nothing behind me, except it looks like an old mine road right up here. It goes up that way. Down here is like a BLM collection area right here. You can see where they have locations where they can actually water cattle and then load them into trucks there. As you can see behind me, and I'm trying to see if I can. There's a town back over here and I can see the sunlight from it. That's Vicksburg. And I was able to drive up onto this slab. And I've got a balanced slab. Looks like maybe it used to be a home. Anyway, a balanced slab, so I can sleep level. Got my office set up right here. And I got a fire right there. There is an area where people can camp. You'll see, you know, flights on occasion, probably tonight from RVs or otherwise. But this one, I've got all to myself. It's almost like, you know, my old ranch that I just drove into and came back to my house, parked, built my fire, and set up my office and start editing videos. Just doing what I can to kind of keep up with the information that I've got so that I can get it out to you guys in a timely fashion. Some of what I share will end up on YouTube channel. Some of what I share will end up on the TikToks and Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, things like that. But otherwise, just living the dream. You guys take care. I wish you all the best. Always.
From the West Pacific to the island of Kenya, they treat me like a son anywhere I go. And even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road. But even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone.
By the way, this is exactly what I was envisioning whenever I was thinking about boondocking. Camping out in the middle of nowhere, where there's nobody else around. Build a fire, and then see what it looks like when there's absolutely no one else around you. As far as the eye can see. Or that would have enough light that this iPhone would pick up, except that star and way off in the distance there, a little settlement through the mountain, and maybe another one over there. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Come down to the underground old school. Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool?